Saab is taking a major step into the future of air combat with a new stealthy, supersonic autonomous combat aircraft designed to fight alongside Sweden's Gripen E. The concept, known as the A3, is part of Saab's autonomous collaborative platform. The idea is simple but ambitious: create uncrewed combat aircraft that can carry weapons, gather intelligence, conduct electronic warfare, attack enemy air defense systems, and even take part in air-to-air combat. Visually, the A3 looks very different from a conventional fighter. It features a tailless configuration, a blended fuselage, and cropped wings, with the overall shape designed to reduce its radar signature. It also has an internal weapons bay, allowing weapons to be carried inside the aircraft rather than mounted externally. But Saab is not going straight into production. The company is first developing two technology demonstrators, called A1 and A2. These aircraft will be used to test the technologies needed for the future autonomous combat platform. The first demonstrator, A1, is expected to begin flight testing and will be powered by the General Electric F414 engine, the same engine family used by Sweden's Gripen E. This gives Saab the opportunity to build on existing experience with the engine, including maintenance and integration. Then comes A2, which will test more advanced technologies linked to the aircraft's future combat role, including weapons, sensors, and mission systems. The data collected from these demonstrators could eventually shape the final A3 aircraft, covering everything from aerodynamics and propulsion to autonomy, sensors, and combat systems. And this is where Saab's concept becomes particularly interesting. The A3 is not being designed simply as a replacement for the Gripen. Instead, the Gripen E could act as the command aircraft, with autonomous A3-type platforms operating ahead of it or alongside it during combat missions. A Gripen pilot could potentially control multiple autonomous aircraft, sending them into dangerous areas while keeping the manned fighter farther away from the most heavily defended parts of the battlefield. If the A1 and A2 demonstrators successfully prove the required technologies, Saab's A3 concept could become an important part of Sweden's next-generation air combat strategy, giving the Gripen E more sensors, more weapons, and more options, without putting a pilot inside every aircraft. The era of the fighter jet, operating alone, may be coming to an end, and Saab wants the Gripen to lead the way into the age of autonomous combat teaming. Thanks for watching. What do you think about Saab's new A3 autonomous combat aircraft? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more aviation, aerospace, and defense updates. Whether you're an aerospace engineering student, an aspiring engineer, an aviation enthusiast, or simply curious about how aircraft work, this book gives you a strong foundation to begin your journey into aerospace engineering. So, if you're ready to explore the fascinating world of flight, aircraft, engines, and aerospace technology, check out our latest book. Introduction to Aerospace Engineering: Fundamentals of Flight is now available on Amazon in Kindle and paperback editions.